let's talk about the parent side. There's this parent who has insisted that the kid has to go through the system. You know, the system of get an education, then get a job, be employed in whatever career it is. Now that you went through an informal system of education, what do you say to this father or this mother who insists that the child must go to campus?
I'll say the cookie is different in every production. There's manji, there's these different bakers in the industry, and when you test everything they make, as much as they mix the same way, it comes out different.
Yeah.
The same. Not everyone is meant to be an entrepreneur. That's for sure.
Yeah.
Not everyone is meant to who can thrive in an employment setup. Not everyone who is meant to. No, there's so many other things. So I usually say when you have someone who has interest in something, you'd rather support it. Then push your goal, yes, but also support their interest. I know people who maybe they work in a formal setup, but they are musicians. In the evening, they play something in church, they do other things. I know someone, even today, who draws and paints does very nice paintings to sell, but she's a doctor on the other side. So sometimes it's confusing on what to advise, because you may tell this person not to advise the child to go for whatever, and then the child is not really talented in this other one.
Yeah.
Or maybe even she may not be appreciated or taken well in the market. So basically, for me, I usually say some of these things is like my daughter. I will not force her to be an artist. However, I'll give her the platform to be an artist. I'll give her every platform, everything that she needs, every support. I'll buy her paints, but if you realize she sings better than painting, that is what I will drive.
Yeah.
That is what help her drive in. So the same way, as a parent, I will not push my child to do something that I want as a parent. Because even me, I was pushed to do something that my mom wanted me to be a teacher at some point. My mom wanted me to go to the military at some point. And both of those things are not things I wanted. Actually, she told me, I remember very well, that she told me that even in the military, I can still draw, I can still paint. That's a lie, man. I saw it.
So your mom wanted you to be things that your dad and her were. Was your mom a teacher?
Yes. I wouldn't take it from that perspective. I would say my mom wanted me to get a job.
Employment. Yeah.
She thought, not even her alone, even the setup, where we were then, Tononoka and all that. When mtoto wako tu, mtoto wako hajaipata kazi mpaka wa leo. Some of those things. So they were driving her crazy. Then also as a parent, my mom, when life went south, she was the only parent we had, my brother and I. So she was, she pays the rent, she paid school fees, this and this and this. And then at that point, she also wanted to go better her education so that she can get promotion in her. So I believe she wanted the best. However, she did not have ideas or the best ideas on how do I plug this man soon as possible. So the opportunities that came were the ones she was throwing my way. If military is the one that was coming, that is what she thought it will work. She teaching, akaona kuna shule fulani some technical training wa mwalimu. That is what she was thinking. I don't blame her. But again, the only bit I thought maybe is the push. The push was not necessary. Specifically because there is this thing I'm also doing that is working. Yeah. Why can't you tap in it and develop it?
Yeah.
Why do you think the things you're suggesting are the only ones that will work, not whatever? At the moment, I think I'm her hero, basically. But for me, it is a very tricky situation to be as a parent, because sometimes you think if I don't push this, then this other one might not turn out. Because there's some people who have been left to do whatever they want, and things didn't work out. They didn't go very well, So I think it also depends with the situation around the whole scenario. Yeah, but again, bottom line, if the subject wants to do something, then you'd rather than try guide in that way. Ikishindikana, then push your agenda, in my opinion.